Are you new to the world of ChatGPT and curious to learn more about how to use it? Look no further than my beginner's tutorial series. Because in this series of videos, I will guide you through the basics of ChatGPT and show you how to get the most out of this powerful language model. From understanding the various prompts and commands to utilizing its vast knowledge base, my tutorials will help you become a ChatGPT pro in no time. Whether you are a content creator looking to enhance your writing, a student seeking research assistance, or simply someone who wants to explore the capabilities of AI language models, my tutorials are designed for beginners and easy to follow. So if you are ready to dive into the world of ChatGPT and learn how to harness its power, be sure to check out my tutorial series. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my latest videos. Without wasting further time, let's get started with the step-by-step tutorial. Now, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the generative pre-trained transformer, that is GPT architecture, and is trained on a massive amount of text data to generate human-like responses to natural language prompts. ChatGPT is designed to understand and respond to a wide range of topics and can be used for various applications, including language translation, content creation, research assistance, and even chatbots. It can generate text in multiple languages, making it a valuable tool for global communication. With its ability to generate high-quality and contextually relevant responses, ChatGPT has revolutionized the field of natural language processing and has opened up new possibilities for human-machine interaction. Now, how can you get started with ChatGPT? To get started, you need to head over to openai.com. I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. You can just go ahead and click on it and it will bring you to this very page. Next thing to do is head over to products. Then you go ahead and click on ChatGPT, which will open in a new tab. From here, if you already have an account, you just go ahead and log in. If you are new to ChatGPT, you go ahead and click on sign up. Then you go through the sign up process. It should be noted that you will need a working email and a working phone number, which you will be using in order to verify your account. So from here, you enter in your email address, then you click on continue, or you can use Microsoft account or Google account. Upon sign in, it will bring you to an interface that looks like this. At the left side panel, you can open a new chat, and all what you've done on ChatGPT will be listed down here. So if you want to visit any of this content you generated, you just go ahead and click on any of them. For instance, I click on this particular one and it will open it up for me. If I feel that I don't need it and I want to take it off, I'll just click on the bin icon. Down here are some other options. For instance, clear conversations. If I click on it, all what I have here will be cleared. However, I need to confirm that I actually want to clear them. And you see that the clear conversation feature is gone. They also have ChatGPT Plus, which you can upgrade to get more features. I'll click on it, and you see that with the ChatGPT Plus, you'll be paying $20 per month in order to have access to these features. For this tutorial, the free plan will work just fine. So I exit out of here. At the moment, we are using the dark mode. You can switch it to light mode, and you can switch it back to the dark mode. And I think the dark mode is cool. You can also get updates and frequently asked questions about ChatGPT. And finally, you can go ahead and log out from here. Right here are some of the things you can do with ChatGPT. That is some examples. If you want to explain quantum computing in simple terms, got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday, or if you want to make an HTTP request in JavaScript. These are just some few examples. ChatGPT can really do more than what we are seeing right here. Now, what are some of the capabilities of ChatGPT? It remembers what the user said earlier in the conversation. I will show you what that means in a moment when we begin to use ChatGPT. It also allows the user to provide follow-up corrections and is being trained to decline inappropriate requests. In as much as it has some capabilities, it also has some limitations. One, it may occasionally generate incorrect information. So whatever content you are going to be getting from ChatGPT, you need to double check it. It may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. And finally, it has a limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021. That being said, let's really go into ChatGPT and what we can use it to do. To get started, you go ahead and click on New Chat. If you are already here, you just go ahead and click on the text box. Then you begin to enter in your prompts or commands. There are a whole lot of content you can use ChatGPT to generate. For this tutorial, I'm going to lean a little bit on affiliate marketing. The first thing I want us to look at is go ahead and write an email copy to promote a product. We are not going to use a particular product. We just want to get a generic email copy for promoting a particular product. So I enter in the command. After entering in the prompt or the command, you go ahead and hit enter. And ChatGPT will generate the content for you, as you can see right here. Awesome. So you see that it has generated a subject introducing the revolutionary product, your solution to. So in this square bracket, you go ahead and enter in the problem the particular product is going to be solving. And they say, dear recipient, if you want to target a particular person, you can enter in the person's name. And the first thing they say is, are you tired of so and so problem? Do you wish there was an easier and more effective way to desired outcome? Look no further because we have the solution you've been searching for. Then you bring the name of the product you are promoting up to the very end. If you are not satisfied with this particular email copy, you can ask ChatGPT to generate another response by clicking on generate response right here, and it will begin to give you new email copy. As you can see right here, it should be noted that you can go back to the very first one. You see that we have 2 of 2 right here. So now that we've seen how to generate an email copy to promote a product, let's just plug in the name of the product we actually want to promote. For instance, let's promote GetResponse. GetResponse is an email marketing software that you can use to generate leads for your online business. So I write in my command, write email copy to promote GetResponse. I hit enter. Then ChatGPT will generate the content for me. So now instead of the name being in square brackets so that you plug it in, it will just generate it for you right here. It will tell you reasons why you need to use GetResponse. So all what you need to do is read through to see if it's in line with what you really want. So somewhere along the line, it will ask you to insert your affiliate link to GetResponse so that when you send out this message to your customers, then they go ahead and click on the link. That is where you can make money for yourself. Now let's assume we are done talking about the email copy and we want to open a new chat. We go ahead and click on new chat. This time around, I want to write a product description about a particular product. As an affiliate marketer, you can use ChatGPT to come out with product descriptions. Even if you are a business owner yourself, you can use ChatGPT in order to come out with product descriptions. Now let's get a particular product we want to use for this demonstration. So I open a new tab. Then I go over to Amazon.com. Maybe we are going to search for electric toothbrush or electronic toothbrush. So we search for electronic toothbrush for kids and adults. Let's assume this is the very one we want to promote. We click on it to open it up. And the name is Philips Sonicare 4100 Power Toothbrush. I just go ahead and copy the name. Then I go back to ChatGPT. Then I ask ChatGPT to write a product description on. I paste in the name of the product. I hit enter. And ChatGPT will begin to generate the content for me. As you can see, this is as easy as it is to use ChatGPT in order to come out with content for your business. It should be noted that you can always generate new responses if you are not cool with the first one. So I click on generate response and a new response will be generated for me. So this is how powerful ChatGPT is. As an affiliate marketer, you can also use ChatGPT to generate guides for your audience. For instance, if you want to write content on the best ways to save energy, you can instruct ChatGPT to do that for you. Let me open a new chat. Then I can say, write content on the best ways to save energy at home. Hit enter. Then ChatGPT will begin to generate the content for me. So ChatGPT has started with an intro paragraph, and also it has enumerated some of the ways you can use in order to save energy at home. Now, if I feel that the first point, that is upgrade to energy efficient appliances, the content here is small, I can ask ChatGPT to elaborate on it. So what I need to do is come in here, then I say elaborate on number 1. Then I hit enter. Then ChatGPT will know that I'm talking about the upgrade to energy efficient appliances. Can you see that upgrading to energy efficient appliances is one of the most effective ways to save energy at home? Blah 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 to the end. You see that. So it has given me a whole lot of information about the particular point right here. So if I want to talk about switch to LED light bulbs, I do the same thing, elaborate on number 2, then I hit enter. Then ChatGPT will know that I'm talking about switching to LED light bulbs. So similarly, you can go ahead and do the same thing in order to expand this particular article for your audience. Now I open up a new chat and I want to ask ChatGPT to write 10 business codes on affiliate marketing. Hit enter. Then it will begin to generate some codes for me. Affiliate marketing is not just about making money, it's about building relationships. But part filling. Number 2, affiliate marketing is the ultimate win-win scenario. The company makes sales and the affiliate earns a commission. By Zach Johnson and many more. If you are a content creator on YouTube, you can ask ChatGPT to write video description for your videos. Remember the intro I gave during the beginning of this video? I used ChatGPT to generate that particular content. If I want to talk about affiliate marketing for beginners, I can say write YouTube video description on affiliate marketing for beginners. Then I hit enter. And it goes like this. In this video, we'll be discussing affiliate marketing for beginners. If you are new to the concept of affiliate marketing, this is the perfect video for you. We will explain what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and how you can start earning money through it up to the very end. You can even use ChatGPT to come out with a video script. So let me instruct it to do that. Write a video script on affiliate marketing for beginners. Hit enter. Then ChatGPT will tell you that they should have an intro music. If you are the host, you welcome your audience to affiliate marketing for beginners. If you are not comfortable with it, or if you are not happy, you can always generate more responses. By now, you have seen how powerful ChatGPT is. You can also use ChatGPT to come up with YouTube video titles on affiliate marketing. Let's go ahead and do that. I open a new chat. Then I say generate video titles on affiliate marketing for beginners. Hit enter. The first one, we have affiliate marketing 101, a beginner's guide. How to start affiliate marketing for beginners. The basics of affiliate marketing for newbies, step-by-step guide to affiliate marketing for beginners up to the very end. Awesome. Let's move a bit away from affiliate marketing. Then we open a new chat. This time around, I want to talk about digital products. So I enter best digital products ideas. Hit enter. Then it will begin to generate the best digital product ideas for me. So the first one is mobile app for mental health. They also have e-learning platform, virtual event platform, health and fitness tracking app, personalized nutrition app, online marketplace for local artisans, language learning app, and many more. Or I can say, what are the best digital products to sell in 2023? Hit enter, and ChatGPT is telling me that it's difficult to predict with certainty which digital products will be the best to sell in 2023. But here are some potential ideas based on current trends and market demand. So they have NFTs, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, subscription-based services, cybersecurity products, e-commerce and online marketplaces, mobile apps. So these are some few digital products you can go into in 2023 as suggested by ChatGPT. Now let's go back to the product description we generated earlier. You see that the content is a bit lengthy. Let's see if we can summarize this using ChatGPT. So I give it a command, hit enter. Let's see what we are going to get from this. So this is the summary on the whole of this content we have up here. Now, if you generate content using ChatGPT and you feel that it is minute or not enough, you can ask ChatGPT to write more. For instance, if I open a new chat and I ask, what is accounting? Hit enter. Perhaps it will give me definition of accounting. And this is all what ChatGPT has given me. I can say, write more, then hit enter. And it says, sure, I can provide more information about accounting. So it's giving me new content with regard to what accounting is. Perfect. So you see how powerful ChatGPT is. As a matter of fact, we cannot go to all the areas in one particular video. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial on ChatGPT for beginners. As I said earlier, we'll be talking more about ChatGPT and how you can use it to generate content for your business. Alright, that's it guys. I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, kindly hit the like button, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching and I'll see you in the next one.